Rich construction worker shocks stuck-up jewelry store employee. I used to work at a high-end jewelry store, and one day a man came in looking for a necklace for his wife. He had just gotten off work and you could tell. He was dirty, sweaty, and his clothes were covered in oil. He looked at a few pieces and then asked to see a necklace that was $8,000. I pulled it out for him and he said, "My wife would love this." He asked if we did financing and I said we did. He filled out the application and I went to run his credit. I was expecting a super low score, but I was shocked when I saw he had a score of 800. I went back out and told him he was approved. He then said, "Great, I'll take it." I asked if he wanted to put it on the card and he said, "No, I'll just pay for it now." He pulled out his debit card and paid for the necklace in full. I asked him what he did for a living and he said he owned a small construction company. He told me he never financed anything, but he always made sure to have good credit just in case. He said he worked hard and saved his money so he could buy nice things for his wife. He said he didn't care what people thought of him and he was happy with his life.